Welcome to Jackass.
Hell yeah, brother.
Birthday midday shenanigans when you have a lot of time to kill. Get ready to run.
Nah, I was standing right here.
I wouldn't. If I were you. Yep. I'd cover your ears, Keith. That one does. Fucking man.
Okay, bud.
It's loud.
It is very loud. Very loud. I'm surprised your neighbors don't hate you.
Oh, they do.
Oh,
He's gonna do a one tire fire. The right rear wheel spins.
can't really see it. Not bad.
Not bad for a little Pathfinder.
Yeah, that's really not bad at all. Whoa. I'm kind of impressed.
A lot of torque for a little 1.2 car. That's actually pretty dope.
Yeah. Whoa. I heard you almost died.
It was absolutely fucking.
What the fuck?
It was awful. It was like.
What did you do? What did you do?
I went and turned and the fucking back end just
Shit.
look at this fucking
And then
loser.
bad guy started playing, so I was just sitting there like crying. Mayonnaise in my
Mayonnaise out of
pocket.
pocket.
The mayonnaise. throw it away.
Do not throw the mayonnaise.
Throw the-
Keep the mayonnaise for later.
No.
Give it to Dan. Give it to Dan. No.
No.
Give it to Dan. He'll love it.
Don't you want to touch my mayonnaise?
No, because then Will's gonna whip my ass.
I want to pop it in my hand.
Two of them.
No, not the mayonnaise.
This one I just kind of had in my
Why would
basement. I
you
made one.
Oh, I love you.
You want some salt?
Was not running good earlier. I had to sit in front of Jasmine's house and hang out with her grandma for like 10 minutes.
Nice.
Good. Oh,
There you go.
And I wish I could drive sticks and I could have brought my dad's stake.
That would have been cool.
Maybe he needs to be cleaned
Oh, holy shit. Well, fuck.
You're fucking laughing.
Fuck. Ah.
Come on, Jasmine, let's get the hell out of here.
Come on.
She probably didn't like that too much, but she'll sit in the driveway and cool off. That left a mark.
Oh, shit.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Time to go. Sheila,
Tires.
Roxy, let's go. Don't be a bitch.
Easy, baby. It's okay. I am here.
Come on, Roxy. Come on, old girl. Come on, old bitch. car stop and watch?
Yeah. It was like, that is a
When
prime
do we
example.
get to do that?
No,
I
that's
can
what you
still
don't do.
smell it.
Oh yeah,
The
me
teacher
too.
was probably like, we don't do that.
Yeah, pretty much.
And my license plate's behind my grill and the rear one's tinted, so they probably were like, oh, god damn it. It's tinted and bubbled, so you can't really see it from an angle.
And behind all the fucking smoke.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah. The runner guy went, what the fuck?
Yeah, dude. Dude, me and her were going down Rydell, and there was a group of white girls just walking, just out for a Sunday stroll, and I'm popping in neutral and and one of them jumped like, and all they saw was a black car go by and her pointing and laughing at them.
I did not feel bad at all.
Oh, for pointing and laughing at them? Fuck no.
No, not at
It
all.
was hilarious. It was just, wabba!
Wow!
Yeah, that was amazing.
Set my high score.
Yeah, so we're not allowed to drive together anymore after this. After I get my headers.
Why?
You know how much fucking trouble we'd get in, dude?
Let's do it.
Yeah, that's it. And everybody forgot their mask.
Nice.
Fucking
Well, go
man.
order us pizza then.
Alright, go ahead.
You doing?
No,
I'm too shy.
go.
I'm too shy.
Because I was never doing that.
I mean, it's considered a mask.
Is this happening right now?
Yeah.
Is this fucking happening right now?
Yeah.
Got
All right,
it.
girlie, go get us 4 pizzas.
Fucking man, dude.
I got it.
Oh.
You coming, Brandon?
I got this. I got it.
Come on.
Bitch can't see shit. It is so blind.
COVID is a plague.
I'm already like pissed. It's not okay. This is like one of those fucking goggle things that they used to make you wear in health class for like when you're drunk and then you catch the ball. Yeah. Barely.
Bruh.
I can't see out of this eye. This eye. Yeah, I can see out of one. Little Caesars right there. Fuck.
There you go. I'm gonna stay out here. You guys, you go ahead.
Brandon, I just looked at myself in the fucking reflection. I can't take myself seriously. I'm gonna walk in there, they're all gonna be laughing.
Yep, probably.
Whoa!
Go get 4 pizzas.
Got it. I got it. 22 something.
Oh, that's the only problem with this.
I walked in and was like, we didn't have any masks. This is all we have. The fucking goggles are fogging up. Thank you.
She said the guy. I didn't know we
I
could have
hit
done
my
that.
nose. Huh?
That one girl's literally holding a phone in front of her face. So we could have just done this.
Yeah. Everybody could have done that.
Well, I didn't know that.
You didn't know
That
that, you
would've
could just
been-
throw
Oh,
your
never
fucking
mind.
shirt
I think
over
they
your
just
thing.
got kicked out.
We just gotta do it for the meme,
At least you had an official mask.
Nick.
I walked in and I was like, this is all we had in the car.
Technically, the plague mask is more
COVID is a plague.
appropriate than an actual mask. It's a motorcycle.
Randy, I swear to God if that's you. Yeah, that's Randy.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's Randy.
Hey.
Slows down.
Bitch, put the front tire down. Put that fucking front tire down,
And it's
asshole.
an extra 55 cents for pepperoni.
That's not.
You just did another wheelie, didn't you? You bitch. Little Caesars. I heard it and I was like, tell me that's not Randy. And then I saw the plaid shirt and a tire in the air. I was like, yep, that's Randy. Where my pizzas at? What'd they say? How long?
If you can go in, you figured it out. You can just put your shirt over. I'm not putting my shirt back over unless you want to put this thing on. This is leather.
This is something.
Rubber?
Is it? Ow! The strap got me.
Oh, don't break it!
That's what I thought. Put that van down. Put the van down. Put the van down.
The van weighs more than your fucking flap.
Put the van down.
Put the flap down. Here. Like, actually put the back on.
Oh, wow.
Wow, good job.
Fuzzy.
Yeah.
Everybody does that, dude.
Because it's fuzzy.
I'm gonna touch the fuzz.
Lady shaking her head.
Ah. Ow, ow, that was my ass cheek.
Children,
My whole ass cheek.
don't make me call your dad.
No.
Yeah, we're waiting on our pizza.
She was standing there holding it, dog.
She was.
Huh?
Like the, she was there for
I
like
don't care.
everything.
I give no fucks.
I know. I
Old
know.
lady Karen want to be an old lady Karen? Go for it.
Going back in.
Not that many, and I'm currently a little...
Going in.
Bravo 6 going dark.
What? I'm grabbing pizza.
It hit my beak on the door. Don't make me carry this whole fucking thing.
Yeah.
Fuck you. The pizza's hot.
That for me.
Go on, drunkie.
What's he fucking doing?
He's getting one last picture for this beloved birthday.
Oh man. Oh, this is sad.
Wait a minute.
You're
All
gonna
right,
fall.
This is getting... Oh, I forgot I broke her pop socket.
Yeah, did you forget that you broke my pop socket?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, put
Paint
that,
me like one of your French girls.
put that leg up in the air,
Hold on.
you sexy
Hold on.
motherfucker.
Take the camera.
Oh god.
Ow. Pardon myself.
Fucking man.
Yeah, put that leg up in the air. All the way up. Yeah! Woo! Alright, you sexy bitches, get the fuck off the car and let's go drink.
Yeah!
I have never.
God fought you with a tree and you lost.
Plantation is a myth.
He is going to punch God while the Persona 5 soundtrack plays. That's what's going to happen.
Are you trying to get married?
Shot! Go! Four! Fuck it! No! Noel, we're doing it now! Just for that,
Usain Bolt's the devil. Ronald Reagan is gonna resurrect everyone in 2021. And Elmo is the senator of Virginia. 2020 where no one cares anymore because we're in a year of stupid shit. Yes, sir! We have Corona, we have protests, we have aliens, for God's fucking sake.
Did y'all hear about the alcoholic killer fucking monkey?
No?
There was an alcoholic killer monkey. Look it up.
¿A qué, güey? ¿Qué te dijiste, güey? De verdad, yo solo quiero comer mi pizza, güey.
Wow.
shit!
Welcome to the Salty Spittoon. How tough are you?
I was gonna say, crashing your tree, no one donated.
Maybe a little bit.
You have to like me when you're
Happy birthday, Brandon. You're a faggot, and I fucking love you.
Hell yeah.